Hello guys and welcome back to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete any file or any folders that you can't delete. Here on my desktop I have one file, and if I try to delete it by right clicking it and clicking here on delete, you will see that it is not deleting, and the same happens with this particular folder. So I will show you how you can delete any file or any folder on your computer, and we will be using one of the most popular file compressing software. So open your browser, and in browser type in 7zip, and here you will see the very first link, which is 7zip.org. This is their official website. Just click into the website itself, and here you will see download options. If you are using 64-bit computer, then download this very first version, or if you are using 32-bit computer, as you can see, download this second. And this is very small software, and it is open source and is absolutely safe to use. As I am using, or most of you will be using, also 64-bit, as newest computers come with 64-bit operating systems, I will click on download, and this will download a file to my downloads directory. Then open your downloads. I will open it by clicking here on taskbar on this file explorer icon or on this folder icon and clicking into downloads, and you will see this 7zip software here. This is executable file which will automatically help you download this software to your computer. Double click on it, and here you will see where it is being installed. It is being installed in your program files. Click on install here, and it will install, and it will take less than 3 seconds. And now let's return back to our file. As you can see, you can do it with file or with folder. For example, if you want to delete your folder, you can right click on your folder, but I will be demonstrating it on file, so I will click into this folder. If I would want to delete this file, right click on the file you want to delete or folder which you would want to delete, and here at the very bottom on this pop-up you will see a tab show more options. Click on this very last tab, show more options, and here you will see this option 7zip. If you will hover over it, it will open another drop down or another pop-up, and here you will see very first option, add to archive. Click on this very first option, add to archive, and here in the very first field you will see your file or folder name. Delete it all together, and once you have deleted it, type any file name you want. I will type there delete this. Like I mentioned, you can type there whatever you want. It doesn't really matter, as it is just a name. And here on the right hand side you will see another options, and here under options you will see an option which tells delete files after compression. Check this checkbox, delete files after compression, and hit on OK, and you will see that this file is now deleted and new this zipped folder has been created. After your file or folder has been deleted, you can delete easily this folder as well, just by right clicking on it and clicking on delete, and this will help you to delete whether file or folder on your Windows computer.